Talking today about the sign up process in learnbychapter.com. The advantage of sign up is that when we sign up, we can view the sample course also. So when we go to sign up, either we can register ourselves or sign up ourselves through Google, through Facebook, through Microsoft, or we can write down our email address and password over here. So if you want to register by email address, this is the option. If you want to register by Google, Facebook or Microsoft, then this is the option. So we have to write down our first name. Remember to keep a good password because this password will really help you. The nickname has to be 3 characters long. You have to say I'm not a robot because this is a CAPTCHA. So this is how we sign up for learnbychapter.com, either to access our course or to view the sample lesson. When we click create account, email for verification goes to your email account. So you have to go to your email. It is going to come like this. We have to click on activate my account. As soon as we do activate, we click on activate. Now my account is activated.